Hey everyone, I just wanted to do this quick video and give you guys some tips on how you can set your listings apart whenever you're listing, especially on eBay. Or on the Spot and Paste blog, we are doing a series on how to increase your sales. Last week, the article was on focusing on your customers' needs. So just kind of thinking out of the box, thinking about, what are things that our customers are needing right now? What are the trends that they're thinking that they're needing? And, just kind of thinking out of the box that way. And then this week, we're going to be releasing an article that is about listing items that have high ratings. So they're high rated products. And one of the main reasons why you want to list those items is because you will end up with less returns, because the high rated items are the most liked. They are the ones that are the most taken care of. The best quality, that's the word that I'm looking for. They are the best quality of product. And so those are the ones that you really want to look for. But then we could even go a little bit further with that. You want to look for high rated items that have hundreds, if not thousands, of reviews that have been written about it. The reason why is because then you can go through those reviews. You can look for key points that you could put into your description to kind of change it up a little bit. The reviews will also set you up for anything negative about the item. That way you can be prepared for returns. Maybe even put that information in the description if you would know how to word it right. You could even use the photos, because some websites in the reviews, they will allow their customers to put photos of the items that they're reviewing. So you could even use some of those in your description, or not in your description, but in the photos of the item. And then that way, whenever you're going through the listing or your potential buyers are searching for it, then your photo stands out, because it's not really so much the stock photo anymore. So it just sets you apart. But then also, some websites will allow potential customers to ask questions about the items. And then people who have purchased the items, or the sellers of the items, they are able to answer those questions. So then what you can do with that is you can put like a questions and answers in your description. That way you're kind of weeding out all of the questions that you could potentially be getting about that item. And so one, it makes it to where you're giving better customer service, because you are allowing your potential customers to know more about the product, which then can also increase your sales, because then it builds a form of trust between you and that potential buyer. But then, what was I going to say? There was a last point on that and I just lost it. Yes. So also because, sorry guys, also because of the fact that as drop shippers, we can't physically hold these items in our hand. Like this toy right here from my son. Like, we can't physically hold it. And so by going through the reviews and the questions, even looking at the photos that the other customers have posted up, it gives us the ability to know the items just a little bit better than we would if we just blindly copied and pasted everything. And so it makes you more prepared. It allows you to provide your potential customers with better customer service. But then whenever you're giving better customer service, then it also increases your sales. So you're increasing your sales, you're setting yourself apart, and you're providing great customer service. So that was the tip that I wanted to give you guys. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Also too, if you would like to subscribe to our blog so that you can get that article whenever it comes out, because it's going to be a little bit more in depth than what I've said here, then you can. But then you'll also be able to get the rest of the articles that are coming out, because it's an 11-part series, which is really good. So just subscribe below to this channel so that you can be updated on all the videos. Click on the link so that you can be subscribed to our blog. And yeah, and of course, if you have any other questions for me, or if you have any other content that you would love for me to make videos on, then just put it in the comments and I would be happy to do it. All right, see you guys later. Bye.